Workshop still, still on the line. It's only been reported that with your workshop is still on the line. It's only been reported that we experimented with
Marvelous AirCrete. Perhaps you have AirCrete on your mind. Well, there's so many questions. Can I make it round? Can I make it a dome? Can I make it a rectangular house that looks like a normal house? And the answer to that question is yes. Can you make it? Yes. Truly, AirCrete is a marvelous building material because it's just Portland cement and water that has been inflated 6 times in volume to create a strong structural and yet insulating building material. If you've been looking at AirCrete and you want to maybe build your house, then you should start doing it. And I'm going to invite you to come along with me and click the link below in the description and learn how you can attend a workshop and learn to make AirCrete hands-on. We've had some cancellations because of the COVID thing, but right now we've got a couple spaces left. You can come out to the June workshop in Tyler, Texas, and you can learn how to make domes, arches, as well as rectangular structures. You see, AirCrete can be formed into many shapes, but you've got to know how to engineer it. You've got to have the understanding to know that you're building a safe structure. And then the best of all is getting the hands-on muscle memory and repetition to be able to put AirCrete together in a house of the shape of your choosing. Building an AirCrete dome is indeed a beautiful and energetic structure, and it really just involves taking AirCrete blocks and putting them together with other AirCrete blocks using a compass arm and mortaring it together with not mortar but AirCrete. Is there a faster way? Maybe a possibility that a dome isn't exactly for you? Then you can also come and learn how to build our rectangular structures. These could even have lap siding put into the mold so that whenever you pour it, your house actually looks like a lap siding house that after painting is indistinguishable from your neighbor's house. And also, you can make round shapes such as cylinders. Like domes are extremely storm resistant. Tornadoes and hurricanes just don't really grab a hold of them. What else besides just building with the AirCrete is necessary for a home? But looking at what each of the students bring to the workshop, and we're going to take those questions and put together the curriculum just for you. So it's going to be a somewhat customized workshop where the student comes first, and electrical, as well as how to design, size, and install your own air conditioning system, how to build and install solar power systems, how to assemble battery packs, for example, to save a great deal of money on your battery storage. All of this knowledge is available for you to choose from. After leaving our workshops, you're going to know that you can do it because you have done it. And we're not teaching how to crap in a bucket and then carry the stinky mess outside. We're not showing you how to use a indoor compost toilet that ultimately is going to stink in a hot and humid climate. No, we'll even show you how to make a worm composting flush toilet system that eliminates all the mess and all of the odors and with very little maintenance. I believe, and I personally want, better than third world living. I want first class, first world living, and I want it on a budget. I want to have the freedom to travel, the freedom to just live life on my terms with a low cost, low maintenance house. And also, a lot of us just simply want to get out of the city, out of the crime, out of the noise, out of the policing, out of the chaos, into a place where we're not quarantined into boredom, but on a homestead where we worked with our own hands and created something beautiful. If you've been considering attending a workshop, there's no better time than the present to begin your journey. In fact, you can bring a second person with you for half price. And when you check out, enter a quantity of 2 and enter the discount code half off second person. And with this code, you'll be able to bring your significant other or friend and get them on board with what you're doing. Come and meet other interesting people and learn those skills to be able to build your own home and live life on your terms.